Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Christy from BlingeeThingee on Etsy, and today I'm just going to be showing you some new inventory that I've recently added to my Etsy shop. I had so many special requests to be able to purchase wholesale bulk bags like the way that I get them from the manufacturer, and so I just wanted to make you guys aware that that option is now available if you prefer the wholesale bulk bags over the smaller packs. So I've listed resin rhinestones in both the regular colors and the jelly AB resin colors. So there's tons of those listed. There's several different sizes of those. And then I've also added the flatback pearl embellishments, and I have a bunch of different colors of those, a bunch of different sizes. So if you're looking for wholesale bulk bags, then you're going to want to check out the social media sale section of my Etsy shop. So see, I'm just kind of showing you a little bit, just all the color options and stuff that are available. So we're going to come over here and I want to just show you what a wholesale bag looks like. So over here, this is what 100,000 2mm resin rhinestones looks like. This is what 100,000 3mm looks like. This is what 50,000 4mm looks like. This is what 30,000 5mm looks like. This is what 10,000 6mm looks like. So these bags are, you know, they're pretty big. So these are the wholesale bulk bags. Now, another option that I've had for a really long time are just bulk bags. So I want to show you those. Now, these are what the bulk bags looks like. This is what 5,000 3mm looks like. This is what 5,000 4mm looks like. And this is what 5,000 5mm looks like. And then I carry just the regular smaller packs. Most people only need like the smaller packs. They're not working on these, you know, ginormous projects or anything. So this is like 1,000 3mm, 1,000 4mm, and then 1,000 5mm. So you can just kind of tell there's a lot of different options now for however large or small that your project is. So if you're interested in the wholesale bulk bags, like I said, I'm going to leave links for everything in the description box. So these are wholesale bulk bags. These are just bulk bags. And then these are just the regular size products, okay? So those are the resin rhinestones. Tons of different colors. Jelly AB. This is what a jelly AB resin rhinestone looks like. And as you can tell, they're like more opaque, and then they've just got that really pretty AB coating on the top of them. You can't really see into these, and they don't have the silver backing. So that's what a jelly AB resin rhinestone looks like. And then this is just your regular resin rhinestone, and see, these have the silver backing on those, and you can kind of see into those colors. So several different options on there. And then the other thing that I have available are the flatback pearl embellishments, and those are available in either AB colors. AB has that really pretty like coating on there that reflects some different colors, and then I also have the solid colors. And so to just kind of show you, there's several different sizes here. Okay, so these are what the bulks, wholesale bulk bags of pearls look like. So this is 1,000 14mm. The 14mm are like huge, they're ginormous, and this is like pretty heavy. So that's 1,000 14mm. This is 1,000 12mm. This is 2,000 10mm, and still a 10mm is a really nice size. These are 2,000 8mm. These are 5,000 6mm. This is 5,000 5mm. This is 10,000 4mm. This is 10,000 3mm. And this is 10,000 2mm. And the 2mm, they're, I mean, they still, it's like a small amount, but because they're just so tiny. 2mm are mainly used to just fill in tiny places on craft projects as fillers, or like for nail art and stuff like that. So, but if you use a lot of these, then the bulk bags are a nice option. So there you go, you guys. Use the links in the description box. Like I said, there's tons of different colors. if you're looking for the wholesale bulk bags, then these are definitely just a really, really wonderful option. But you know what? If you don't need that many rhinestones, no worries, because I have all kinds of smaller packs, super, super affordable. So there you go. Go check out BlingeeThingee on Etsy. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe so that you can always see when I release new products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay guys, so a couple of things that I forgot to mention is that if you go on the links that I've given you and you see that something's sold out, it's out of stock, always check back, because these listings will be listings that I will just constantly be updating as I get in new inventory, which most of the time is on a weekly basis. Every once in a while I get, you know, a few larger shipments that all come in at the same time. So, you know, then you might have to wait a little bit. But like I said, always check back. Just because something says out of stock one day does not mean that it'll be out of stock the next day. The second thing was that on the pearls, there were so many different colors of the pearls in both the AB colors and the solid colors that I actually had to create 2 different listings for that, just to be able to get all the colors in there. So I'll leave links for everything in the description box, but always check out the social media sale section, because really that's where I put most of my wholesale and the bulk options for my products.